आप हो,
You are.
कुछ करके हो कि बगैर कुछ किए हो?
By doing something or without.
Please try to understand the question, yeah, because it will be long conversation to and fro. So we try very clearly question, yeah. So respond. You exist. Do you exist by doing something, or you exist without doing? Is a question mark. वो है विदाउट बिना किसी
बगैर किए आप
बगैर
है।
किए।
अच्छा, अब आपका होना है, इसके लिए कुछ सोचना पड़ता है कि बगैर सोचे है?
You are existing for this, for to exist. Do you need any thinking to exist, or you can exist without thinking? Question mark. You all together you can answer. Without.
Yes.
तो बिना बिना किसी
उनको भी आ रही है
Yes,
भाई,
yes, yes.
तो बोल सकते हैं। अब थर्ड पॉइंट,
Now third point.
आप हो,
You exist. You are.
कुछ समझ के हो कि बगैर समझे भी आप हो?
You are or you exist without understanding or with understanding? Question mark. Yes. बिना किसी समझ.
ओके। अब फोर्थ पॉइंट,
Fourth point.
आप फ्यूचर में हो कि अभी हो?
Do you exist in future or you exist now? अभी.
तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट फिर से, आपका होना किसी साधना से है कि बगैर साधना के है?
Again the first point. Does your existence is because of doing something or because of some meditation, or is because without meditation? Your existence, your existing, your being, you am. Is it without doing something, meditation or sadhana, or is it without even exist? Answer. Okay. You are existing.
No, I understood what you say, but my understanding of meditation is actually just being. It's not an action.
वाओ, वो कह रही है कि मेरा जो ध्यान का मतलब है वो होने से है, उसमें कुछ करना नहीं है। वो क्या?
So, 1 second. Even if you don't meditate, you still are there, right? Even if you don't meditate.
I might not meditate, but meditation is happening anytime.
वाओ,
Now.
ना ना ना, मेडिटेशन हो रहा है हर समय, ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। आप हर समय हो कि नहीं बगैर मेडिटेशन के?
विदाउट मेडिटेशन इज, डोंट ब्रिंग मेडिटेशन इन, विदाउट मेडिटेशन डू यू एग्जिस्ट और नॉट?
यस।
यस, हाँ। Your existence is prior to meditation. That's the point. Yes, your existence is prior to meditation. Whether meditation is there or not, whether it's natural or not, you existing is prior.
ओके, तो बगैर किसी साधना के, बगैर किए भी आप हो, इस चीज को कभी इग्नोर मत करो।
You exist. You exist without doing anything, without being anything. You exist. That is the point he is emphasizing, and that has to be get received firmly. That's.
और इग्नोर मत करो।
Don't ignore it.
Yes.
Don't take it lightly. Your existence, your being, that you say I exist, that point he is pointing out.
अब
Now,
बगैर कुछ किए आप हो, बगैर सोचे भी आप हो, बगैर समझे भी आप हो, और आप अभी के अभी हो। चारों पॉइंट।
You exist before doing anything, without doing anything. You exist before thinking, and you exist before
Understanding.
understanding. You exist. You don't need these three things. The, four, yeah, fourth.
फ्यूचर
Future.
में नहीं, अभी हो आप.
Do you exist in future or you exist now? You exist now. So of these four conditions, you exist pre these conditions: doing, thinking, feeling, understanding, and future or past. You
तो
exist.
तो डूइंग, थिंकिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड फ्यूचर,
Future.
ये आपने कपड़े पहन के रखे हैं अपनी बीइंग में, इसको उतार के फेंक दो.
These are like a clothes. These are like a layers which is glued to you or upon your being, your existing. So he's saying, remove these layers. He's dealing not with layers, direct with your existing, your existence. That's
जस्ट यू आर.
you are.
विदाउट मेडिटेशन, राइट?
Without meditation, yes.
विदाउट थिंकिंग.
Without thinking. Right now, it is not the question of how to remove the thinking. Oh, वो कह रही है हम अपना विचार बंद करें. कैसे हम अपने विचारों को बंद करें? तो मैंने कहा कि
ना ना ना
no, 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 no.
मैं जो बोलूंगा वही बताना है. हाँ. एक अक्षर भी
Yes,
इधर का
बिल्कुल.
उधर हुआ तो कई जन्म खराब होते हैं.
35% हो रहा है.
हाँ. अब वो थोड़ा हो रहा है बट सही चीज जा रही. हाँ, तो इनका क्या सवाल था?
कि मैं
Thinking कैसे रोकूं?
thinking को
ना ना,
कैसे?
थिंकिंग को रोकना नहीं है.
You don't have to. We are not dealing with thinking.
हम
You don't
ये
have to deal
हम
with
ये
the
पूछ
thinking.
रहे हैं कि बगैर सोचे भी आप हो कि नहीं.
He is asking whether you exist without thinking or not. That's the point. You have to get the question. That was before, but your question was little off. So he is asking again: do you exist without thinking? Yes or no? Without thinking.
Yes.
बिना किसी thinking.
तो बगैर थिंकिंग के जो आप हो, सुनो पहले, बगैर थिंकिंग के जो आप हो, क्या उसमें थिंकिंग है?
Okay.
मैं ले जाना.
Without thinking, you exist. Okay. In that existing, is there thinking?
Yes.
No. Now.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. तो फिर से,
Again.
without doing,
Without doing.
without meditation, without thinking, without understanding, जो आप हो, just you are,
Just you are.
बगैर सोचे समझे, बगैर कुछ किए जो आप हो अभी के अभी, वही परमात्मा है. अभी के अभी.
In this moment, what you are, without doing, without thinking, without understanding, you exist. That in this moment, that existing, pure existing is God, is divine, is what
is ultimate,
is ultimate,
supreme.
supreme. That's the point.
बट इसके लिए सोचना मत.
But don't think about this.
क्योंकि बगैर सोचे ही आप भगवान हो.
Because you exist without thinking. We already established that.
ना
You-
ना, बगैर सोचे ही आप भगवान हो.
Without thinking, you are God or divine or ultimate.
मेरी इंग्लिश ज्यादा अच्छी है. नहीं नहीं नहीं, उसके आगे
मुश्किल हो.
पीछे के नहीं पता है मेरे को.
मुश्किल हो जाता
चालू करोगे ना तो ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा.
है. Yes.
ओके.
वो एक
हाँ, पॉइंट. डोंट मिस पॉइंट.
yes.
ठीक. बगैर कुछ किए, बगैर सोचे समझे जो आप अभी के अभी हो, उससे एग्री हो जाओ, बगैर कुछ किए, बगैर सोचे समझे उससे एग्री हो जाओ.
Be agree with this existing what you are without thinking, without doing, without understanding. Be agree to this inner state. Oh, Nirmal,
I
please.
want to, but it's not so easy
Both.
because thinking is coming or doing is coming or
हाँ, no, ओनली इट इज इजी. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? केवल यही इजी है.
Only this is easy.
केवल हाँ, ओनली दिस इज इजी. क्योंकि ये इसलिए इजी है क्योंकि इन सब के बगैर भी आप हो पहले से. आपसे ये हैं, इनसे आप नहीं हो.
It is easy because you are without these things, thinking, doing, understanding. You exist before this. So that's why it is easy.
They are because of you.
They are because of you,
You are not
because
because
of
Yes.
them.
Everything exists because you exist, not because things exist. You are, not the other way, right?